Good morning, everybody. It is May 31st. It is the end of May, and it's official. The median price has gone up to $485 based on all the closings we had this month. So I adjusted the price. To reflect the equity gain that people have gained, depending on when they bought, and of course what the price is. But the median price, this is a chart that shows people exactly, where we are in the scheme of things. So it is really critical that you are showing this to people. John's phone just went off. Sorry. Anyway, it's critical that you show this chart to people so that they really, really understand what you're telling them, that, that they have equity, that they can sell their home, that they can buy another home. So I always want to make sure everybody is out there telling everybody else that, right? Because we want them to know, let's see here, we want them to know that they have equities like casino chips. You know that, right? It's on paper. That's why the iBuyer platforms can say, oh, I'm only going to take, this much money from you. And it's not real money. They're not taking it from their hands. So that's why casinos give you chips, because it's not like they're taking your money, or what we call money. They're just chips. So it's the same mentality. So let's look at today's stats. We've got the 35 days of inventory, which is absolutely fantastic. We have 3,417 homes, single-family homes on the market, and 968 of those are 475,000 and under. Haven't adjusted that to 485, but we will for tomorrow's show. Anyway, you just listed 59 of those homes, and that gives us 28% of the market in that sweet spot median price. And since Friday, you've listed 244 homes, which is awesome. And that's keeping us up over a month of inventory. We have put 120 under contract. And on Friday, you closed 389 homes. So that is fantastic. We may have some more homes coming in today. It's the last day of the month. So we'll see how that impacts the month. For May, we sold 130 homes a day. And that's how we get the days of inventory. We take the total availables divided by the number of sales we're making, and that tells us the days of inventory. This is just for those zip codes that we showed you earlier. This is not Boulder City. It's not Mesquite. It's not Pahrump. It is the greater Las Vegas area. And let's see here. What else is notable? Investors still buying 49 homes a day. I don't see that changing. The good news is, or the big news is, for the first time, the $1 million homes are selling at a rate of 5.51 per day. We were down at 5.49 for the most of the year, and now it's tipped over to 5.5. So that's amazing. We have sold 810 million plus dollar homes this year to date. In 2021, we sold 1,672. So we're only 5 months into the year, and we're just about close to half of what we did last year. So I think that number is going to be bigger this year. And if we continue with 5.51 sales per day, it will be, because last year it was just 4.6. And then look at 2020. It was way down at 1.6. So the $1 million market is the hot market in Las Vegas.